This is a quick breakdown on all the features and functionality that unlock at the Team Carrot CRM plan. So the first one that's going to unlock here is weighted round robin. So when leads come in from any of your marketing channels, we have the Carrot website here as an example, you can actually customize how those leads get assigned to you and your team. So we have all these different lead sources here, marketing channels that you're using. We'll go back to Carrot, and you can actually customize. So traditionally, you're available, or it's open to have it go to one person every single time. So this could go to me every single time. You can do even round robin. And what unlocks on the Team Carrot CRM plan would be able to do weighted round robin. So let's say it's me and John, for example. We could set it up custom where, let's say, every 10 leads that come in, John gets 7, I get 3 of those. Just as an example, you could do that any way that you want. You can also unlock a functionality called open group. So that's the ability, let's say it's me, John, Brady, and Steven as an example. We could have it where we're all in that group, and it really creates a first come, first serve atmosphere. It doesn't assign to anybody automatically, but we all get a text notification to our phone, and the first person that's able to call that lead can take what's called ownership of that lead. So that's actually a really popular setup with a lot of our high-end users that have a lot of inbound leads coming in. They want to make it like a very sales friendly environment to encourage that, almost like a competitive nature for working those leads. So that unlocks at the team plan. The other thing would be a feature called restricted users and unlimited groups. So the groups we covered, you get 2 of them in the team or in the scale plan. Team plan, you get unlimited, and then you get the ability to restrict users as well. So what exactly does that mean? That means that you get unlimited of these tabs here going left to right. So you fully have flexibility on how you want to categorize and organize your leads into different buckets, or what we call groups. And then you can also choose who has access to those. So let's say you had a new hire and you wanted to create a group that's just called training, for example. You could put a new hire in here. You could put them in a training group, and they're not going to be able to see any other leads, maybe just like the 20 to 50 leads, old leads that you throw in there just for them to practice and talk to sellers a little bit, talk to older sellers and practice using the CRM, taking notes, practice click to call, everything like that. Maybe you're in multiple markets and you want to have an acquisition manager that's in California, but you don't want them to have access to all the other leads in your system. You could create a group that's just acquisitions California. You put that acquisitions manager in there. They have full access to just that group and not your entire database of leads. So really cool there. And just for the additional upgrade to that team plan, you can really get a lot of security in your leads, and rest assured that they're only seeing what you want them to see leads wise in the system. And then the last feature, this is one of the biggest ones for the team plan. It's called Employee Scorecard. So on the previous plan, you're able to see this just for yourself in real time on Team Carrot CRM. For any user that you want to see in real time, if they're using currently smartphone or dial pad, those 2 phone systems we integrate the deepest with, you're able to see all their metrics. You don't have a ton of data in this just demo space here, but for anybody in the system, you're able to see on a day, week, month, quarter, and yearly basis all these metrics here, guys, a ton of them. Completed actions, what their average speed to lead was gross, what essentially their net working hours during 9 to 5 speed to lead was, how many contacts they made, how many touches they made, opportunities or leads that they touched, inbound calls, outbound calls, calls over a minute, 5 minutes, total talk time, new leads assigned, existing leads assigned, released opportunities, qualified opportunities, a lot of stuff here, guys. Average days to qualify, created to qualify conversion, how many appointments did each person book, verbal offers made, contracts that they sent out, contracts accepted, average days qualified to contract, created to contract, conversion rate for that, close deals, average days contract to close, created to close, conversion rate for that, and dead opportunities. So to recap again, guys, you get the weighted round robin and open group, just more sophisticated lead assignment and lead routing, custom for each way that you guys have leads coming in. You also get the unlimited groups and restricted users, so full flexibility and customizability on how you want to categorize and organize your leads. And then you also get the employee scorecard, a huge feature here, in addition to just more usage of the previous tier features. So you get 10 users instead of 5. You get more property reports. You have unlimited sequence templates. You get, let's see, yeah, the unlimited lead grouping. So everything's right here, guys. Check it out. Team CRM on top of Carrot.